Hi children, how are you? We are fine here and we hope you the same with you. I think you are busy with the video classes. Is it right? Okay children. We already discussed 3 questions lesson. I think you all enjoyed the lesson. Let us go to the textual grammar. Before going to the grammar, let us have some discussion on synonyms. We have already some synonyms in the textbook itself, but I added some more. Okay, let us see the synonyms from the textbook. Okay, so see children, first synonym, messengers, those who carry messages. Messengers means those who carry messages. Council, a group of people chosen to give advice. Council means a group of people chosen to give advice. Counselors, members of the council. Counselors, members of the council. Hermit, a person who lives alone and leads a simple life. Hermit, a person who lives alone and leads a simple life. We already discussed all these in the lesson. Is it right children? Okay. Wood, a small forest. Wood means a small forest. Affairs. Affairs means things or matters. Things or matters, or you can say simply business. Beds, small patches of ground for plants. Beds means small patches of ground for plants. Fainted, lost consciousness. Fainted means lost consciousness. Redressed. Redressed means dressed again. Dressed again. Seized. Seized means took by force. Seized means took by force. Faithful. Faithful means loyal and true. Loyal and true. Okay children, once again, synonyms, messengers. All of you please observe the pronunciation also. If you have any doubts, please observe it. Play the video twice or thrice so that you will understand everything. Messengers, those who carry messages. Council, a group of people chosen to give advice. Counselors, members of the council. Hermit, a person who lives alone and leads a simple life. Wood, a small forest. Affairs, things or matters. Beds, small patches of ground for plants. Fainted, lost consciousness. Redressed, dressed again. Seized, took by force. Faithful, loyal and true. Children, please write them 3 times and then read it. Okay? Then let us go to our textual grammar. Okay, in your textbook you can see this space, comprehension check. Complete the following sentences by adding the appropriate forms of the sentences given in the box. Please open your textbook and observe this page, all of you. See here, some 5 sentences are given. Half part of the sentence is given here. The remaining part is given in the down box. Okay, we have to select this answer from this box. So first question is, many wise men answered the king's questions. Many wise men answered the king's questions. Second one, someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men. Someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men. Third one, someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable. Someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable. Fourth one, the king requested the hermit. Fourth one, the king requested the hermit. Fifth one, the king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound. The king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound. So the remaining part of the sentences are given here in the box. So we have to select one from these and you should write. See here, fourth one I am telling you. The king requested the hermit. Tell me children, what is the answer? The king requested the hermit to answer 3 questions. What is the answer? See here in the box, second option is the right answer for this. So the king requested the hermit to answer 3 questions. In the same way, you please write the remaining correct answers from the box. First write with pencil. Tomorrow or in the next video, I am going to give you correct answers. So that after that, you copy with pen. Is it right? Okay, see here in the box, the options are, but the bleeding would not stop. To answer 3 questions, but their answers were so varied that the king was not satisfied and followed it strictly. To help the king act at the right time. Okay children, understood this model? So here half part of the sentence is given. The remaining half part is in the box. So select the correct option from the box and complete these sentences. Okay, if you had heard the lesson carefully, definitely you would have answered all these questions correctly. Okay children, may I move to the next model? Okay. See here in the next model, working with long ways. See here, it is nothing but simply matching. Okay, in the A column some words are given, in the B column also some words are given, so which are nothing but meanings. So here in the example already given, fainted, we know that bearded man was fainted. Fainted means lost consciousness, so the meaning of the fainted was lost consciousness. In the same way here in the A column some words are given, in the B column the meanings are given, so you have to match it. So first word in the A column is wounded, next awoke, next forgive, next faithful, next pity, next beds. The last one is return. In the same way B column, got up from sleep, give back, small patches of ground for plants, severely injured, pardon, loyal, feel sorry for. Once again, wounded, awoke, forgive, faithful, pity, beds, return. Got up from sleep, B column answers. Got up from sleep, give back, small patches of ground for plants, severely injured, pardon, loyal, feel sorry for. Okay children, so how to match it? Okay, match the correct word with the correct meaning. Okay children, after writing this, use any 3 of the above words in sentences of your own. So use these. Out of these 7, just use any 3 words and write own sentences. In Telugu you know no, sonta vakyalu. In the same way in English you write any 3 own sentences using any 3 of these words. Okay children, understood this model? So matching, you just match it. Okay, match it with a pencil. After that, later you can write with pen. Okay, clear? Next, let us go to the next model. Okay, here we know that for each word we have verb forms, noun forms, adjective forms, like that. So here also some verb forms are there. In the same way some noun forms are also given. So by adding suffixes like ment, ness, ance, ence, ion, sion, tion and more, we can change verb to noun. We can change verb form to noun form by adding suffixes. Suffixes means you know already, a letter or group of letters which are added at the end of the word. So in the same way here verb forms are given. See in the example, promised, judge, decide, explain, invite, forgive, necessary, differ, like this. So noun forms, promise, okay, judgment, decision, explanation, invitation, forgiveness, necessity, difference. See, promised, the promised is the verb form. In the same way promise is the noun form. Judge, judgment, judged, you can write judged. So here judgment, decide, decision, explain, explanation, invite, invitation, forgive, forgiveness, necessary, necessity, differ, difference. So by using this you can complete the next model. See here, each of the following sentences has 2 blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of the word given in the brackets. See here already in bracket one word is given. So for that we have to check whether it is the noun form or verb form and you should complete the sentences. So here already one example is given in the yellow color box. See what is that? He has dash to help me. Do you think he will remember his dash? He has dash to help me. Do you think he will remember his dash? See here in the bracket promise is given. So we should write the promise noun form and the verb form. So what is the promise noun form? What is the noun form of promise? We know that promise. But what is the verb form of promise? Promised. So here he has dash to help me. He has promised to help me. So here the verb form is correct answer. He has promised to help me. Do you think he will remember his dash? He will remember his promise. Okay children, so in the same way you should write these questions. See here, first one, the dash said that only fresh evidence would make him change his dash. The dash said that only fresh evidence would make him change his dash. So I am telling you this answer. So the judge said that only fresh evidence could make him change his judgment. Okay, here judgment. Here the judge said that. So understood now children? In the same way, you please complete the remaining answers. See here, I didn't notice any serious dash of opinion among the debaters, although they dash from one another over small points. In the bracket it is given differ. Okay, I didn't notice any serious dash of opinion among the debaters, although they dash from one another over small points. So in the bracket given differ. So you please write whatever noun form or verb form, whatever suitable, you please complete this sentence. Next, it is a fairly simple question to dash, but will you accept my dash as final? Once again, it's a fairly simple question to dash, but will you accept my dash as final? In the bracket given answer. So you please complete it with the answer in the noun form and also use that noun form and verb form also. Okay, next. It is in dash, the dash should always be the mother of invention. In the bracket necessary given. Okay, so write the noun form and verb form of necessary. It is in dash that dash should always be the mother of invention. Next, hermits are dashmen. How they acquire their dash, no one can tell. Here, hermits are dashmen. Hermits are dashmen. How they acquire their dash, no one can tell. Here in the bracket, wise. The committee has dash to make Jagdish captain of the team. The dash is likely to please everyone. In the bracket given, decide. So the committee has dash to make Jagdish captain of the team. The dash is likely to please everyone. In the bracket, decide. So use the verb form and noun form of the word decide. Last one. Asking for dash is as noble as willingness to dash. In the bracket, forgive. So asking for dash is as noble as willingness to dash. So in the bracket, okay, forgive is given. So write the noun form and verb form of this forgive. Okay children, so these are the last and final Roman. So please complete all these. Once again, first model is synonyms. Okay, so please read all these synonyms children. So 3 questions synonyms, total you have 4 plus 7, 11 synonyms are given. Please all of you go through these thoroughly. Okay, next Roman, comprehension check if you already heard the lesson carefully, so that you can simply answer these questions. So please complete this. Already the answers are given in this box itself, so complete this. Next model is matching. Okay, please match it with the meaning. Okay, next Roman is noun forms and verb forms. Complete these sentences. Okay children, okay, let us meet in the next video with the correct answers. Okay, thank you all.